Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty Square. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. In today's I am going to show you boys pixie haircuts. Very short but pixie haircuts, comfortable hair cutting ideas, top trending hair dye color ideas for all girls and women. I must suggest to you, watch this video till the end. You will find all kinds of cutting ideas in our video. You can get these types of haircut from any salon. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. All kinds of cutting will make your personality look great. So my dear friend, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members on our social media accounts. So don't forget to tell me in the comment sections to tell me how was my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Videos from my channel can help you. You can get ideas. Try these hair colors and try these hair cutting ideas. Very beautiful and very gorgeous hairstyling ideas. We will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new video, new trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching.